Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to cook a steak. Let me start off by saying that I have never cooked or eaten a steak because of a certain type of bone poisoning I have that makes my blood think that I have too much blood if I eat anything that has blood in it. To cook a steak, you'll just need a good hunk of beef muscle. Beef is just a fancy word for cow, for those of you who don't know. To this we'll be adding salt, cloves, dry kitchen paper, vegetable oil, and steak. Put it in a pan, a black pan, and cook it using heat. Heat is just a fancy word for warmth, for those of you who don't know. You'll also want to add the cream from the cow you've killed, but be sure to churn the cream using old-timey methods to make it into butter first. Plop that in there until it's a dirty brown color. Add a marijuana stem, one more clock, and put the beef on a wood and slice it up and let it cool. You want it to be completely cool before you feed it to your family, otherwise they will be mad at you again. Put it on a plate of leaves and dumb tomatoes and leave the room so your family can eat in peace for once.